Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Happy Aloha Saturday. It is the weekend before the last weekend of the year 2024. We're done. A couple more days. It's the new year. We're gonna get after it. We're gonna do a lot more. We're gonna try harder. Thank you for all the support. 2024 has been awesome. It was a good year. We had some good cars. We had some good RLCs. Gonna show off a little bit of my pop race that I got from my good homie. TikTok shop. Got this. Yes, I am on TikTok. Check my Nucollector out. Custom. I did do a Mighty K for my friend. Color shift. I did finally get. If you're on Instagram, you should be following this guy. He's from here. He's up in Cali now. Insane customizer. Insane. Aloha Kind Customs. I just got it, and come on, man, look at this case. This case alone is ridiculous. This case alone is it's magnetic. It's all magnetic. It's magnetic. We'll talk about this. We'll get a good look. Turn this camera around. But yep, thank you for all the support. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. I really do, from the bottom of my heart. Love you guys. 2024 has been an awesome year for me. We're gonna keep it going 2025, but yep, like, comment, subscribe, helps my channel out. Let's turn this camera around. Let's go. And don't forget the big shaka. Your big shaka. This is my big aloha. Mahalo to you guys. Yes sir. Let's go. Turn this camera around. Let's go. Let's get to these customs first. So yes, I just finished up this color shift paint tropical glitz Mighty K. I love these little Mighty Ks. This is going to my good friend. Just finished this up. He just got me these wheels. That's why for the Mighty K, someone made finally made some baby wheels for the Mighty K. I went with the Hoonigan. Got to paint that skateboard in the back. Blacked all this out. But yeah, happy with how this turned out. Love that tropical glitz color shift. Aloha Kind Customs. Ever since I started customs, this guy was blowing up on Instagram back in the day. Asked him questions, found out he is from Hawaii. He lives in Cali now, but he helped me out a lot. 1503. You guys guarantee follow him. You guys probably following my man right here too. But yeah, those two MCM toys helped me out a lot when I was on my custom journey, when I was figuring out how to sand, how to paint. They helped me out a lot, man. But I finally got one of his customs. Comes in a, dude, it comes in a magnetic case, dude. Just that alone is ridiculous, dude. Ridiculous. Yeah. But this is what I got. It was a blind box, but this is what I got. This is the Datsun King Cap. So this is the one that just came out, the premium, right? The truck set. That's what I believe. But man, look at this paint. It is immaculate. Oh, I'm gonna just marked it. There we go. Dude, it is insane. We got the big ass wheels, the freaking custom axles. We got, dude, his paint. Look at this. I don't know if that was on there or not. I don't have this casting yet, that's why. We got the 3D printed, the mud flaps. I don't know if they comes with that either. But awesome. Dude, the metal base. Look at this. Go follow Instagram, Aloha Kind Customs. And if you can, I would grab a custom from him. It's worth it, 100%. I'm gonna have to get more now. Dude, the details on the paint is sick. And she's a roller, boys. You know I need the rollers. Gotta roll. If it doesn't roll anymore, 2024, end of 2024, if you're not rolling it, it ain't even worth it. I don't care about the details. I don't care about the looks. I don't care about the little baby details. Oh, look, it's got this. Dude, roll it. It's time to roll. Pop race. Ridiculous details. Ridiculous moving parts. It's rolling. Come on, man. Sorry. Just had to little craziness, but Aloha Kind Customs, man. Insane. Dude, follow him Instagram. I'll put his Instagram on the in the link in the bio or whatever, at the bottom description. But yeah, I don't make like keep it both of them, but yeah. Oh, sorry, you can't even see it. Right there. Boom. Yes, sir. Okay. Got this from a good friend. He knows I'm trying to get all this pop race Hakos. And I want to say, is this an exclusive? If you know, put in the comments. I gotta look it up. I'm not sure if this was an exclusive, but this is definitely. Oh, it is the Hong Kong Toy Car Salon. 2024, dude. This. Dude, this is the Hong Kong. Oh yeah, this is the one I was looking at. I was trying to get this one. Oh, beauty. Oh no. Oh no, Pop Race. Why? Why are you killing everybody right now? Why? Hold on, let's turn on some light. Why are you killing everyone in the game right now? The 164. Dang, you guys let me know. You guys into Pop Race or not, man? If you're into Pop Race, we are best friends forever. And if not, well, dude, the inside of the trunk is painted. Oh man, look at this beauty. Dude, it is definitely a color shift too. It goes a purple to blue. Carbon fiber hood. Dude. Oh, come on, man. Let's lift this baby up. We all know what's under here. Oh yeah, it's this way. Forgot. And it's the biggest opening ever. Dude, Pop Race. I mean, come on. You know what? Next year I'll do whatever Pop Race I got. How much I got. I might have 3, 4. But yes, this one is kind of off. Thanks, my brother, for this one. The Hong Kong exclusive? What? Dude, Pop Race. God dang. Love it. Oh my goodness. I love it. Pop Race, man. Freaking Pop Race. Alright, let's, we got the beast now. Finally got it. I got it from the TikTok shop. How's that? Follow me on TikTok. Insane. Look at my showcase. I think you can like sell stuff. I'm like doing some kind of advertising for people for things that I use. It's ridiculous. TikTok is crazy. But yeah, let's clear some of this up so nothing gets damaged and open this beast up. We'll be right back. But yes, finally, the Zamac truck set. You know what I've been looking for. Ooh. All right, but yeah, I got this off of TikTok. I'm not sure if you guys are on TikTok, but yes, I am doing a lot of dancing on there. I'm just joking. I am not dancing on there. I am showing a lot of customs, But yeah, it's pretty cool on there, man. It's pretty crazy that you can get paid to advertise stuff that you already buy and use. But and it is cheap. I bought some stuff. I bought some I bought a Hako. I think I bought a white Hako pop race. So, and it was cheaper than regular, but oh dude, it's so heavy. It's so heavy. There it oh, there's one special one for this one. They know what we wanted. One special holder for that. But yep, this is it. Let's go with the, what is this, the oh, how do you get these out? Is this the caddy? Nope. This is the mini pickup. Oh yeah, we had one of these right in the boulevards. They got the white on there with the Zamac. It's a cute little bug right there. Nice, nice. This is the caddy, I believe. This is the, nope, this is the love. Oh, my bad. My worst. Okay, the one coming, yeah, it's, but this one's plastic. Oh, they never gave the love a premium love yet? Oh, you would have thought they would have premiumed it all out. What in the world? Plastic love base, man. Plastic love base, if you guys didn't know. And we all know the Silverado 83 metal base. That's cool. This one is pretty sick. We just gotta do some wheel swaps on this. But yep, that colorway is kind of sick. I like that. Oh, they went with that purple because what, they couldn't paint that? What's going on? All right. Bingo. Sunny Datsun. This thing is pretty sick. You guys know we got that curved bar. That's how you know it's a Sunny. It's got some. What the hell is all that? It's got the Sunny colors on it. Plastic base though. Plastic base. But get out. Finally got the V caddy. Plastic base also. We got the skateboard and the crazy sunroof. Pinked out. Pretty sick, pretty sick. Don't like that it's all plastic. That's 1, 2, 3 plastic. Oh, and three metal bases. The Sunny. And then the beast. The beast. Why we all got it. For me anyway, I guess. The beast. Oh yeah. Oh, that little purple. That little purple hint. Oh yeah, it's sick. Damn it, I gotta buy more. It is awesome. It is awesome. Dang. Slammed. Awesome. Need at least it's metal. We just need some wheel swaps. We'll figure that out. Dang, this thing is sick. It's going in the, it's definitely going in the acrylic case on the wall. Nice. Awesome. You know what? Ridiculous. Finally got the Zamac. You guys know, look at my last video. Barnes & Noble tricked me and a lot of people. Finally got my hands on the Aloha kind customs. Ridiculous. Go check him out. He's gonna be on my Instagram, my bio, my link, whatever. But ridiculous. Good brother, good friend. Helped me out a lot. So shout out to him. The Mighty K custom, tropical glitz, color shift, and the Zamac case. But yep, thank you for all the support this year. And you know what? Through all my years on YouTube, it's been, I think it's been 5 so far. This ending of this year, I think it's been 5. I want to say 2018. I think I started pretty much ending of 2018. But appreciate all the love and support. please like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, helps me out, pushes me harder. But 2025, we're gonna go a little bit harder. We're gonna do some more customs, get a little crazier. Thank you very much. Have a great New Year's. Happy New Year. Last weekend of the new year. Have fun, go hard. Aloha. Thank you for the support from the bottom of my heart. Aloha. Thank you. Mahalo. Thank you very much. Yes, sir.